Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily find and use the vintage glass antique phone in Canva. So in here, I've already opened my design and I want to use the glass antique phone. So I'm going to just select this text right here. Then I'm going to find the vintage glass antique phone. So just click on the search column and type in antique glass antique phone. Okay, so this one, you can just click on the phone, and just like that the phone will be changed into the vintage glass antique phone like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.